Snares are a real simple device because of the restrictions in Illinois, used primarily to capture beaver. Essentially, you're trying to get an animal to pass through the loop and have the bottom of the loop contact the animal across the chest. When it does, the loop closes down on the animal. Snares have some common parts. One is the swivel, which you have to have in Illinois. The other is the mechanical lock. The third part is the stop that keeps the loop from closing to a diameter of less than 2.5 inches. In this particular case, the manufacturer also added a snare support system. Little piece of rubber tubing on there that you can just put a piece of number 9 wire in there, and your trap can be positioned from there. Your snare can be positioned from there. So it's a real simple system. The main differences in snares are the types of locks that are used by different manufacturers. They also come in different diameters as far as cable goes. This is a 3/32, which would probably be the most commonly used to capture beaver. You can go up to 1/8 of an inch. You can also use a 5/64. The problem with the smaller diameter cables is that a lot of times you get a lot of droop in your loop, and it's hard to place it just exactly where you want it. So generally when you're going after beavers, the 3/32 is the way to go. Just as an example of different types of mechanical locks, this is another one that's fairly common. Then you have your bent washer lock, which is another common design. You have another manufacturer who uses a real light material, aluminum lock. Works real well. Again, this is one of the smaller diameter cables, and you can see what I was talking about when I said you get droop in your loop. And again, because that animal has to pass through there, and you're trying to capture them here, the wider, more circular your loop, the better off you are.